Looking for a natural way to keep your kitchen sink and disposal spotless? Learn how to use baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap and some ice to achieve a deep cleaning that's gentle on both your sink and the environment. Today I'll be showing you how to deep clean your stainless steel kitchen sink and garbage disposal using natural ingredients. This method is eco-friendly, non-toxic, and super effective. First, let's start by rinsing the sink to remove any loose debris. A squeegee is a great tool to push any remaining food particles down the drain. Next, we'll focus on the garbage disposal. Fill your sink with cold water, add some ice cubes and a small amount of dishwashing liquid. Turn on the garbage disposal and let it grind for a minute. The Eco Dish soap helps to break down grease. The hard ice cubes create a natural scrubbing action as they are ground up by the disposal blades. This helps to dislodge and remove food particles, grease, and other debris that may have accumulated on the blades and inner walls of the disposal. Now, add half a cup of baking soda directly into the garbage disposal. This step helps to deodorize and freshen up the drain. Let it sit while we move on to cleaning the sink. Don't forget your kitchen sink accessories. I will pop my stainless steel sponge holder and a silicone scraper into the dishwasher for a thorough cleaning. Most dishwashers heat up to around 49 to 68 degrees Celsius during the main wash and final rinse cycles, which is hot enough to sanitize the sponge holder and silicone scraper. While it might not kill all bacteria, it will greatly reduce the amount, leaving them much cleaner and safer to use. Now let's clean the faucet and scrub the sink surface. Add a few drops of dishwashing liquid and a couple of tablespoons of baking soda to a scouring pad. I'm using natural sisal fiber that's tough on grime but gentle on surfaces, making it perfect for scrubbing stainless steel. Sisal fiber pads are eco-friendly, biodegradable, and a great alternative to synthetic sponges, helping reduce plastic waste. Scrub from top to bottom to ensure every inch is clean. For those hard-to-reach areas like around the garbage disposal and faucet, use an old toothbrush or a dishwashing brush. Next, I will clean the squeegee and scrub the faucet. Now it's time to flush the drain. Pour 1 cup of 5% white vinegar down the drain. The vinegar reacts with the baking soda to create a fizzy reaction that helps to break down clogs and grime. Follow up with a kettle full of hot boiling water to flush everything away. So why does this work? Baking soda is a mild alkali that breaks down grease and grime, and it's also great for deodorizing. When mixed with vinegar and acid, they react and create a fizzy, bubbling action. During this reaction, baking soda and vinegar neutralize each other, releasing carbon dioxide gas, water, and a bit of sodium acetate, salt. So what's left isn't really effective for cleaning. What actually works is that fizzing, which helps to physically dislodge and break apart debris and soap scum, breaking down grease and fatty deposits in the drain. The boiling water afterwards flushes everything out, leaving your drain clean and fresh. An important note here, the baking soda and vinegar reaction is effective primarily for mild buildups and routine maintenance. It's simply not powerful enough to clear tough or significant clogs. For heavy buildups or stubborn clogs, this method may not be sufficient. In such cases, stronger cleaning solutions, chemicals or mechanical methods may be necessary. And that's why regular kitchen sink maintenance is so important. It's an efficient way to save time and effort over the long term. By addressing small amounts of buildup frequently, you prevent the accumulation of grease, grime, and food particles that can lead to heavy, stubborn clogs. This simple routine involves just a few minutes of your time, making it much easier than dealing with an extensive effort required to clean severe blockages. Regular maintenance not only makes the cleaning process quicker and less labor-intensive, but also helps avoid costly repairs or professional plumbing services that might be needed for major clogs. Additionally, this proactive approach keeps your drain and pipes in good condition, ensuring that you avoid more complex issues in the future. In essence, a few minutes of regular cleaning with baking soda and vinegar can prevent bigger problems, ultimately saving you both time and money. If you're interested in learning more about the cleaning science behind white vinegar, be sure to check out my other video here. Finally, rinse the sink with warm water and wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth. I'll give the soap holder a quick clean and refill the dishwashing liquid. Wipe the sink down with a squeegee to remove any excess water. For an extra shine, you can buff it with a microfiber cloth. This is an optional step. To disinfect your sink, I will use an isopropyl alcohol solution. Just wipe it down to kill any lingering germs. To make this disinfectant, mix 70% isopropyl alcohol with 30% water in a spray bottle. This concentration is effective at killing most germs and bacteria. Shake the bottle well before each use and spray it on surfaces, allowing it to sit for at least 30 seconds before wiping. This ensures proper disinfection. You should disinfect your kitchen sink at least once a week to maintain cleanliness and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. However, if you handle raw meat or fish, it's important to disinfect the sink immediately after use to prevent cross-contamination. For general use, disinfecting every few days can also help ensure a hygienic kitchen environment. And there you have it, a naturally clean stainless steel sink and garbage disposal. With these steps, your stainless steel sink and garbage disposal will be clean, fresh, and no harmful chemicals are used. Now that you know how to deep clean your sink, be sure to check out my video on daily sink maintenance, where I show you how I set up my kitchen sink for maximum efficiency and effortless cleaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural cleaning tips.